unable to continue her descent. At approximately 10:31 p.m.,
this tragic incident highlights the extreme risks migrants face while attempting to cross the U.S. Mexico border.
The San Diego Fire Department
Despite the Border Patrol's efforts to summon help, the 24-year-old Guatemalan woman fell from the 30-foot fence before rescue teams could reach her.
At approximately 10:33 p.m.,
the event underscores the urgent humanitarian and safety challenges surrounding border enforcement and migration.
At approximately 10:34 p.m.,
it also raises questions about response
an unknown
coordination
individual
and the
approached
broader
the north
human
side of the
cost
fence
of border
from a nearby
security
commercial
measures.
lot and asked the agent if a ladder that was left on the ground could be used to help the woman. The agent advised the individual that they could not utilize any ladders until the fire department personnel arrived. At approximately 10:35 p.m., the agent apprehended another migrant who was walking along the south side of the secondary international border fence. The following are U.S. Border Patrol radio transmissions from the incident.
Good traffic coming over at Cactus.
Got one body running through the truck lot. First body just went behind dirt mounds. You guys north of the secondary. They're in that truck lot. Bodies were east of the dirt mound heading north. I've lost eyes on them behind that mound. There's two backhoes just north of that dirt mound. It looks like they're walking over there.
Hey, I got someone on top of the secondary. Can someone come on north of the secondary?
Go ahead.
10-4, heading that way. Cactus, north of the secondary. We got a single female stuck on top.
You got stepped on. Copy. Female stuck on top of the secondary?
North side, but still stuck on the secondary. On the north side of the secondary.
10-4. I'll call the fire department.
10-4.
Copy. No hagas eso. No hagas eso. Quédate ahí. ¿Entiende? ¿Entiende? Van a venir a ayudarte. Quédate ahí.
There's two backhoes just north of that.
Escúchame, agárrate bien. No, escúchame, no te bajes. Va a venir una ambulancia. Va a venir unos bomberos. Te van a ayudar. No. Hey, I got someone on top of the secondary. Can someone come on north of the secondary? Quédate ahí, no te bajes, por favor. Por eso. Aguántate mucho arriba del eso. Ok, quédate ahí. No te. Copy. Yeah, we're gonna need a ladder right here, just like Cactus, north of the secondary. We got a single female stuck on top.
You got stepped on. Copy. Female stuck on top of the secondary?
10-4. She's on the north side, but still stuck on the secondary. On the north side of the secondary. Vente para acá. Hey, véngase para acá. 10-4. We wait. Quédate ahí. Ahorita va a venir el departamento de eso con una escalera. It's gonna be east of Cactus Gate. No. Ahorita va a venir el departamento de trabajo. Ven acá. Quédate ahí, agárrate bien, ahorita va a venir los bomberos. Ven acá. ¿Dónde está la otra señora? Para allá. Ven acá. I know there's a female going. Venga para acá. Quédese ahí, no se mueva, solamente manténgase bien. Siéntese ahí. ¿Quién es la otra señora? ¿Ah? ¿De dónde es usted? Nicaragua. Bájese ahí. ¿De dónde es la otra señora?
And headed toward a nearby gate that provides access to the north side of the international border fence, approximately 520 feet east of the woman's location. Because of the size of the fire truck, it could not navigate the sharp west turn to enter into the gate and took an alternate route to reach the woman's location. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
Quédese ahí.
Do they have a ladder to go across the secondary? They do not. 10-4.
At approximately 10:48 p.m., the woman yelled she was struggling to hold on to the fence. The agent at the base of the south side of the fence told the woman the fire department would be there to assist within minutes. At approximately 10:50 p.m., an agent arrived on the north side of the fence at the woman's location. The woman began yelling for them to hurry and yelled she could not hold on any longer. Agents advised the woman that the firefighters were on the way with a ladder and instructed her to hold on as long as she could. At approximately 10:53 p.m., the agent on the north side of the fence drove away to meet with other agents and coordinate the transportation of other migrants apprehended in the area. At approximately 10:54 p.m., the woman yelled she was going to fall, then subsequently fell from the fence, striking the elevated concrete base on the north side of the secondary fence, ultimately landing on the dirt road below. The agent on the south side of the fence requested emergency medical services via service radio and advised that the woman had fallen. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident. At approximately 10:59 p.m., another agent arrived at the north side of the fence where the woman had fallen. The agent advised over radio that the woman had massive head trauma, profuse bleeding, and was unresponsive. At approximately 11:04 p.m., the San Diego Fire Department fire truck arrived at the woman's location. At approximately 11:05 p.m., fire department personnel conducted a medical assessment, noted the woman had no pulse, and initiated CPR. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident.
They came between the fences and they couldn't make that corner there, so I think they had to come all the way around. So I don't know. I don't know where they're coming from, but yeah.
Oh, so they're in between. Okay.
They were between the fences.
Okay.
They left because they couldn't make that corner, so they had to go all the way around somewhere. That might be them coming that way from behind you.
Where's CMS coming from?
I don't know, but I see lights there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back up so I can
Yep.
get out.
Yep. Yeah, she can hold on, man. She got massive head trauma. Okay. Yeah, I think she's done, man. We haven't yet. I don't know if you guys just want to take a look. I'm not a medic. I'm not an EMT. I didn't check for blood. She was blood out of every hole in her body.
You want to do it?
He asked me if I wanted to call it. I said, you guys just take a look. I'm not an EMT or nothing, you know. So they just take a look real quick.
They'll call the people that need to come, like the medical examiner.
Yeah.
So where did they jump? Oh,
I think here. This. Yeah.
Oh, this is all.
Push. The guy on the inside did. We were working traffic elsewhere.
Understood. Okay.
Engine 43 Metro.
They got their ladder right there.
Engine 43.
Yes, we should jump here and go. Because this is a lot you guys are in, right?
Yeah, but see, when this place is so big, so
it's huge.
I'm not sure, are they more to the east or are they more to the west? That's what I did.
I didn't know either because I've never driven in here before.
I've been in here before, but like you saw, it's massive.
Engine 23, copy. It's medic. Are you responding?
So there's no obvious death? Okay.
At approximately 11:17 p.m., medical personnel with the San Diego Fire Department at the scene telephonically contacted a physician at Scripps Mercy Hospital. The hospital physician pronounced the woman deceased. The woman was identified as a 24-year-old citizen of Guatemala. Officers from the San Diego Police Department arrived on scene at approximately 11:43 p.m. On March 22, 2024, at approximately 1:20 a.m., personnel from the San Diego County Medical Examiner's Office arrived on scene